In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to get to our live sessions. The first way is to go to Digital Sessions and click on Go Live with Miss Jones and Miss Odom. Now you will know we're live because you'll see two live buttons. If we weren't live, you wouldn't see this top one right here. But sometimes this live button isn't here. If you come in late, so it's 8:15 and our live session started at 8, then you're not going to see this live button and it's not going to let you in because you're coming in late. So what you have to do is go to the home page, and if you scroll down to the announcements, you'll see where we've gone live and it has the link. When you click on the link, you will have the opportunity to join the meeting. If for some reason you can't get into CTLS Learn at all, go ahead and jot this number down because this is going to be our meeting ID every single time, and this is going to be our join link every single time. So you could go into the Zoom app and say you want to join a meeting, and you could just type in our ID and get in that way. This will help every time. Even if there's glitches on CTLS, you will always be able to join our meeting. Another thing is if you have to leave the meeting and you come back, or maybe for specials, you leave the call and you come back, you're going to have to click this link, not the Digital Sessions link. So this is very good to know. Anytime you get off the call and get back on after the first 8 a.m. session, you're going to have to click on this link. That's about it. Remember that we have our digital sessions every morning starting at 8 a.m. except Wednesdays from now on. We're going to have one short math lesson starting at 9:30. And that'll only be about 15 or so minutes on Wednesdays. Other than that, we're going to be live pretty much from 8 a.m. to 12 with our small groups and independent work not being live streamed. I'd also like to point out that if I end the call, so I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to go ahead and end the call as the teacher. There we go. I ended the meeting and now the announcement went away. So if you don't see the announcement there, then that means we're not on a call. So don't go over here and try to get it and see. You can see the live button up here went away as well. So that's an easy way to know how to get into the call and how to know if we're on a call at that time.